How to solve a Rubik's Cube. Step-by-step instructions. 5 easy steps. Step 4, complete the third layer cross. Turn the cube over. White is now on the bottom and yellow on top. You should find that there is 0, 2, or 4 pieces of the cross facing upward. Ignore the corners for now. The idea is firstly to get the yellow cross, and secondly to turn swap pieces to the correct position in the cross. Perform the algorithm below to get to the yellow cross. Make sure your cube is orientated as shown in the image. Repeat this algorithm till you get the yellow cross. Put the edge pieces in the correct position, perform the steps above once, and then turn the cube like the one shown above and perform the steps again. Next step is coming soon.